Hello everybody, hope you're doing well. Welcome back to another video. At the moment I am feeling quite down, feeling quite not the best, not the one, but I thought I would go for a little walk to the park and see if it cheers me up a bit, and yeah, I thought I'd take along with me, and hopefully if anyone else is feeling a bit meh, seeing some nature and some bird song hopefully might help a bit. I don't know. Also, I hope to read a bit more of this book that I started yesterday. It's called Nevada by Imogen Binney. I'm currently at page 70. And I am really enjoying this book. It's sort of like, it's meant to be sort of like a trans road trip novel, but I don't really know. It's like literary at the moment, so it's following a character called Maria, and she is a young trans woman, and she's working sort of like a dead-endy job that she's not really enjoying. She's about to turn 30. And like things on her like relationship and stuff is sort of like a bit rockety, and also she's just sort of like just analysing like her life and like her existence as a trans woman in like contemporary society, and like just a lot of different things. And I am really enjoying this so much. And then there's meant to be another character called James that I believe they meet a bit after, and yeah, so yeah, I'm so excited to read some more of this, and I thought I would take it with me to the park and do that there. So I'm gonna get change sort of. It's quite cold today, like it's actually quite chilly. It's like the first day, it's like the second day of June, so happy Pride Month. But it's quite chilly, it's quite windy, and I don't know, I was feeling a bit weird, but anyway, yeah, so come along with me. So I've been reading some more. I'm still really enjoying it, but now the sun is sort of like going from where I'm sat, and it's quite windy and a bit chilly, so I'm gonna go for a bit more of a walk, and yeah, that's the update. Not much else. I'm in the sun now. Oh, my hair's such a mess, but I just saw a little baby fox. They were so cute. Whenever I think about foxes now, I think about the cover of Notes of Execution. One of my favourite books of the year so far. And yeah, that's all yeah, that's it. Oh, and read the book, yeah, because the book is phenomenal. I'm not a thriller bitch, but this like thrillery crime book was just amazing, and the pacing, oh my god, the pacing is just exceptional. I don't think I've read anything that's like as well paced as that book. So and it's by Daniel Kafka. The UK edition has a little fox on the front. The American edition, which it makes more sense, has like little trinkets, and it's purple. And yeah, besides, so I'm sort of like walking back home-ish now, I think. Yeah. It's been nice. I do feel a bit better, which is good. Hope you've been enjoying watching this, and yeah. I love birdsong. There's quite a lot of murmuring from the crows, but that's bad. It's just such a lovely sound. That beautiful like tweeting. And yeah, it's like 8:12, so they're going to like bed soon, and it's just so sweet. So I am home, and yeah, I'm gonna finish the video now. Hope you enjoyed it, everybody, and hope you have a nice morning, evening, night, or wherever you are in the world, and I shall see you very soon. Bye bye.